Alright, I'm going to show you guys that in less than 3 minutes I can go from learning about a lead to having a floor plan of an as-built space on my desk without ever having to leave my office. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to leave this chair. So this is my render home screen. If you just click the button in the bottom right hand corner and say invite to capture. In this case, I'm just going to invite myself and put in my personal email and send that invitation away. I'm going to get a notification here that my invite has been sent. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to my email and refresh. There it is. Your note that you leave to the customer will be in this email, but I did not do that. So I've already downloaded the app, of course, and I'm just going to say scan. And let's just show you guys how quick and easy this process will be. The homeowner will be guided through this with a tutorial, but since I've scanned before, I got the quick version of the tutorial. And again, I'm not going to get up, but I will try to scan as much of this basement office space as I can. Alright, let's just turn around and get the dog. See if I get that couch behind me. There we go. Alright. So there's my basement office. We'll just name it that, office, and say done. Now the homeowner that you send this to will be prompted to add photos in essence of time. I'm going to go ahead and skip that, but asking them to leave photos for you will help in ballparking or pricing up that particular job from afar. So let's go back to the email, and the notification that I get back on my desk is that, hey, this particular homeowner has completed that invite request. And when I go into my space here, I can see the office is sitting right there in the app. Now this does not show up on the homeowner's device. This will only be on yours. So the fact that this showed up immediately is just showing you that it's going to be on whoever sent the invite is going to get the floor plan back. Again, it's going to show you all of your wall elevations. It's going to show you all of your floor plans, your measurements of the space. And again, you'll have the ability to export this as a PDF or a DXF to drop it into any CAD software that you guys currently use. Again, less than 3 minutes.